Hey everyone, Scott Kuru here from the Waldorf in Los Angeles, here with your daily property update. Now guys, every day I jump on here and I'm giving you updates about what's happening in the property market so you can make the right move, so you can be a property insider. And every single day, it actually just gets worse and worse and worse for the community in terms of housing. Great for investors, great for people that want to build wealth, but actually not great for society. Now there's some new data which has just dropped, which is showing us what is actually happening to new supply. Because right now, prices are rising at their fastest rate in many, many years. Buyers are panicking. And the one group who should be fixing this, the government, is actually still doing absolutely nothing. Because today, I'm gonna unpack that fresh data from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, ABS, and it's gonna show you that approvals for new homes just took a big hit. Now remember, this whole crisis is because of a systemic structural issue with new supply of housing. So every month when the supply data comes out, it gets my attention. It's something that goes into the broader analysis that I complete every single month. Now let me walk you through what this data says and why this might be the biggest housing bomb in years. Now, according to the latest ABS release, total dwelling approvals actually did fall 6.4% in October to just 15,832 homes. That includes a 2.1% drop in detached house approvals and a 13.1% drop in non-house dwellings. These are units, townhouses, and apartments. Apartment approvals are now well below long-term averages. This is the weakest multi-unit approval we have seen in years. So if you think the government can help to build a whole stack of apartments and townhouses to ease the housing crisis, they cannot. This is actually collapsing, the biggest and collapsing first. Now, this isn't just a soft month. There are multiple big structural problems behind this drop. Construction costs have exploded. Materials, labor, compliance, everything now costs more. That's squeezing developers hard. We have severe labor and skill shortages. Builders and trades are harder to get, meaning projects are delayed or even canceled before they even start. We now have longer build times, much slower than before. A new detached house is now 36% slower to build compared to a decade ago. For apartments and townhouses, the delays are even worse. Regulatory compliance and approval bottlenecks are also there. Planning, red tape, council delays. A lot of projects never even get off the ground. Financing, insurance, and cost inflation risks. Many developers say the uncertainty and rising costs make projects unviable. So this isn't just a temporary slump, this is a full-on supply chain breakdown for housing. It is supply chain collapse. Let's now take a look at a national view, the national failure. Now, to hit the government's 1.2 million home target by 2029, Australia needs roughly 20,000 new approvals per month. Instead, October delivered 15,800, 4,000 short. 1 month, one shortfall. Now for 2025 alone, we're already tens of thousands of homes behind schedule. The backlog keeps growing. With build times longer, costs higher, labor scarce, even approved homes may never get built on time. Completion numbers will shrink. This is what total failure looks like. This is not a glitch. This is a structural collapse. Now, if supply is drying up and demand, migration and renters stays high, here's what happens. Stock tightens further. Prices keep rising, maybe even faster than what they are now. Rents explode. First-time buyers get trapped in bidding wars for scarce stock. Those waiting for a correction get burned. This isn't a market dip, it is a supply-driven squeeze. The pressure cooker just got hotter. This collapse shows just how broken the system is. We need action. What we got was excuses. Tell me, is this failure of planning, policy, or is it just politics? Drop a comment below. That's your daily property update for today, your 5 to 7 minute update on the property market every single day so that you can be a property insider. Make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a video.